Hi guys, here's the advisor, and in this video we will look into NeoSwap. So what is NeoSwap and why it could revolutionize the stocks NFT ecosystem? Basically, a NeoSwap goal is to make trading simple, and for right now it's only for stocks NFT ecosystem. They will expand on other chains and also to real life physical objects, with the final goal to achieve trading simplicity. So what problem does NeoSwap solve? As you can see, in the current NFT space, it's tough to find barter solution, which often leads people to sell their own NFTs to raise liquidity and then buy new NFTs. But this can be solved by using NeoSwap. So NeoSwap has a simple goal to find optimal multi-way trades between many agents where the items can be goods or services. And although it doesn't need the usage of currency or tokens, it helps a lot using it for more complex trades. Until now, this concept may have seemed vague and abstract, but this picture actually helps understand what is going on. So we will see also that the UI and UX of our services is really simple for users to interact with. And what happens that in the background, automatic computations will find the best solutions based on user inputs, and our smart contract will be written to enable the trade. To show you that this process is really easy and for anyone to use, I will go through this article made by NeoSwap team that describes the process to complete NeoSwap trade. I will also leave the link in the description of this article so you can read it by yourself. So the first thing you will need to do is to visit neoswap.party, then connect your Stack0 wallet, and you also need to leave an email so they can notify you when this smart contract is ready. You can use whatever mail you want, and they don't care about that. Then join any room that you're interested in. You just need to click on rooms and then join a room. Then you need to select all the NFTs you are willing to trade. So it will load all the NFTs that you own, and then you choose the one that you want to trade. And you will need to put a reserve price. So you can, they're gonna give you the floor price, and you can decide which price you want to set for each NFT. Then click save and next, and all the other people will do the same thing in the meantime. So you can have a party with 10 people, they all will do the same steps. Then you need to set your budget. As I said, this will help facilitate the trades, especially the more complex ones. Then you need to choose the NFTs to bid on. So all the NFTs that the other member of this party are willing to trade. Then you can even bid on them all, and as you can see, you must bid at least the reserve price placed by the others. Then once everybody has done the same thing, you can save and let the magic happen, as they say. And as you can see, this is a simple trade, but I've seen some really complex ones, and it's amazing how the service works, because you end up with trades that you could never imagine and think of. So why is it relevant for NFTs, this service? Because it helps increase the liquidity of NFTs, as you can swap basically between them. And with more frequent trades, it also means an increase in royalties for the creators. It's a win-win situation for the whole ecosystem. For now, the NeoSwap short-term objective is to find the first partners to test the idea and make it available to anyone. In fact, we're currently partnering with the different NFT projects on Stacks, so to let their community try their service, and I suggest anyone to do it. And in the long term, I want to create an API to be used by exchanges and achieve an artificial intelligence-powered marketplace for trading both physical and virtual goods. I highly suggest joining their Discord. so you can ask further questions, and I'll also leave the link in the description. And we have daily parties, so you can try yourself their service. And I suggest to all the NFT collections to collaborate with them, and it's actually happening, and I'm really happy about that. Finally, I will also leave in the description the links for two videos. One is the project presentation, the Beacon Unleashed event, which features a demo of how the concept works. And also the second video is a video on how their service works, but it's a bit shorter, so you can decide which one you want to watch. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can watch all the videos that I made on Stacks, DeFi, and NFTs projects. And also make sure to follow me on Twitter as I release multiple threads on Stacks ecosystem a week. I will leave the link of my profile Twitter in the description, and see you to the next video.